Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, if you cannot tell by the title of the video, we are doing Demon Slayer inspired makeup. I'm obsessed with the show and so is my whole family, so I figured why not do some looks. So as you can see today, we are doing a KYOJURO Rengoku look. If you all end up liking this series, I want you to comment the character you would like to see me do next down below, and maybe I'll do it. Maybe I'll turn it into a series. Who knows? I'm new here. Alright, let's get right into it today. We just watched Mugen Train again. My fiance and I, he's seen it twice. I've seen it more than that. Don't come at me. He never watched the first season, so we're currently rewatching the first season to get him caught up. I know it doesn't make sense. Once again, don't come at me. I was feeling inspired to do a look, and I still cry at the thought of the whole movie. So let's come to terms with it and just recreate a look. Let's get my trusty headband on. I have something planned for this look that I hope comes out great, but I feel like I don't know if I can pull it off. Like I said before, I'm not the best with makeup, so I'm just priming my face right now. With my Homura foundation, I'm just gonna cover all this mess. So just a heads up, this is not gonna be like a replicating his look. It's going to be hopefully a wearable, more tame makeup look. I'm going to be shaping my face with the Tarte Clay Play palette. That's what we're doing. While we're here and the video is still early, why don't you comment if you do watch Demon Slayer, which I'm gonna assume you do if you are watching this, unless you just really like me. Comment your favorite character. I'm very much torn for mine. I think out of the three, I like Inosuke the best. I just resonate with his chaos the most. My plan of attack is that I want to take a yellow eyeshadow and go in around my eye to kind of match his robe more. And I'm going to try to match the flames to that. So we're going to go with the yellow first. This is on the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 Crusty palette that my daughter plays with. We're going to be using the shade No Joke with this fluffy brush. I think I have the yellow as saturated on here as I want it to be, because I don't want it to be too like wham bam thank you ma'am, but I do want it to be subtle, just like on his robe, how you see the red flames and you got like the yellow and then the white. It's like chef's kiss. I do want to go in with this little bit of orange called Feeling Myself, because I'm totally feeling myself. Pop that in to the edges just to kind of add a little bit more something to it. Since he's the flame Hashira, it has to look like flames. And with a smaller brush, I'm just going to blend all this together. I want to make it sparkle. I'll be using this NYX glitter glue to put some yellow sparkles in my eyes. With a flat brush, I will take it and I will spread it on my eye over the yellow. Be sure to pat so that you don't smudge what you've already done. Now with my also equally crusty Honey by ColourPop palette, Palooza, that my daughter also loves, because you can see how she dug her little fingers in there. I'll put that on there. Now that we're completely covered in glitter, I know what you're thinking, and I know you're like, where is the red? It has to be red. And believe me, I know. I am afraid of the red. Check out my shirt I made myself. Forgot to show that. It says set your heart ablaze on the bottom. The red I am just about as afraid of as doing my eyebrows. So bear with me. I have this nifty little ColourPop colored liner in the shade Try Me. I just need to breathe and just do it. I need to do it. I have a picture of the robe right here. It's not that complicated. Stop worrying about it. So my plan of attack with this is this way. We're going this way, this way. Basically, I'm just sketching it out right now, and so far, I don't want to jinx myself, but I'm liking it. Let's keep doing this. Kind of filling this in. Here we are. I gotta touch it up a little bit, and I think I'm gonna blend the bottom out with some red shadow because it's a bit harsh, but it's kind of cool. Like, it's different. I'm gonna try to blend it out with some red shadow. I'm gonna be using this shade right here called Livin' My Best Life. I'm gonna take that really lightly around too on the inside of here because it's kind of patchy. And I'm gonna bring it down. I will be using this NYX Jumbo Eye pencil to just go in my waterline. I'm gonna use this black eyeliner. Hopefully I don't put too much on like I'm known to do and ruin everything that we've done so far. Now the time has come for the eyebrows. I'm both very excited for how these could potentially turn out and very scared for the fact that they could ruin the rest of my look that I just spent over an hour on. Don't be scared that my hands are stained red. I use temporary hair dye in the blonde parts of my hair, and I just did it before filming. I use this in case anybody would like to try it. It's by Good Dye Young. This is from Sally's. So for the eyebrows, I'm taking just a black eyeshadow. I'm gonna go angle my eyebrow up. And like I said, I want to make something that's wearable but like still obviously resembles the character. I make like the second line also go up. You see what I'm saying? This kind of idea. They look pretty good. I'm gonna pop on my Kush mascara from Milk Cosmetics and my fake eyelashes, and we'll be back. I need lipstick as well, so bear with me. So I forgot to record a lot, so let me get you caught up real quick. I put on my false eyelashes, which I got from Amazon. I will put those in the description below. For my lips, I am wearing a little bit of brown liner with Pumpkin Spice 2 from Sugar Pill. You want to know a fun mom fact about me? Is that when I do my makeup, it's typically late. Like right now, it is 11:09, and I'm going to do this to make TikToks and this video, and then I'm going to bed. Here's the finished look. Thank you for joining me on this process. I hope you all enjoyed it and took something from it. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you want to see me do another character, drop it in the comments. Make sure to tell me your favorite character as well. If y'all like this, I will do it again. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's been a blast. Bye!